In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on an Audi Q7. So in this car, the battery's under the seat for whatever reason it was designed. So what we're going to do first is remove these two, and there's going to be 2 bolts here, and then there's 2 bolts in the front that I'll show you. So let's begin. So take off the plastic piece. It just comes right off, and on this end. So this is the bolt you're going to take out, and then this is the bolt right there. So you're going to remove this screw right here, and then there's another screw right here in the front of your seat in order to remove the seat. So here's what a bolt looks like. Now you see it looks more like a Torx, but it's actually not a Torx. Because if you use a Torx, I ran into this problem, is it will work, but it's easier to strip it. So I actually had both of these stripped on my end because somebody used the torque to where I actually broke the top of one, and I was able to extract the other one barely. Which looks like this. As you can see, I barely got it out. So what you're gonna need is one of these guys, and these are called triple square bit socket set. So I'll have a link below, but yeah, that's pretty much what you need. I would recommend getting one of these instead of using one of these because it could cause you problems in the future. Tilt the seat back, and under the seat you will find the battery. Now they have these latches that you kind of pull at like this, and it opens it. Same thing on the other side, just pull at it, and like there's this screw right here that I need to remove in order to remove this. That way it's out of the way, so let's do that. So you'll need a T20 to get that little screw out. Okay, now let's try to open it now. Alright, now that it's free, now we got to remove the clamps. So before you can lift it up, there's one more bolt right over here. This one right here. And it's also a 10mm bolt. Now we're going to try to pick up the battery. Oh gosh, this thing is heavy. It's like solid. So this is why I hate this car, because it shouldn't be this complicated to change a stupid battery. I mean, I have to take off this whole seat just to get in there and get this battery out, and I'm still struggling. So what I'm gonna have to do now, as you can see, I'm getting frustrated. I'm gonna need to take off this clip, which takes this wire harness up here, which this clip just comes right off, thankfully. It's like on a hook. You can see better from right here, like that. And then it goes to over here. There's one more clip right here. I'm gonna use my clip remover tool. Link is in the description. Like that. Get that out, and then there's the connector. So, and try to unplug that connector over here. So yeah, it's pretty much frustrating because I'm moving this thing and it's not budging at all. So, and there isn't much room between here and here to try to figure out what it is. So I want to get rid of this wire harness and move the entire seat out of the way, and we'll see what it is. So for the connector, there's this push button right here. Right here you push it, and then you wiggle it out, and that's what it looks like. And so it turns out there's actually 3 connectors. The yellow one was in the middle. It was like this. You have to kind of pull it out, turn it, and then there's this little knob that you pull back, and then it comes out. And then the last one was the green one, which also has this button on the bottom like this that you push and you wiggle it out. So it's a little annoying. So I found my problem. What I need to take out is this guy right here. Looks like it's clamping it down so it doesn't move. So it's also 10mm that you just have to remove. So maybe I could have left the seat on, but that's okay. So this is what it looks like. Add to my collection. Now for the moment of truth. Will it budge? Yes! Oh, this thing is heavy. Oh. All that for a stupid battery. Whew. So, well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hopefully it'll be helpful to somebody else not to go through this pain. German engineering sucks. I hate this car. I'm never buying another German car again. This is just so stupid. Why would anyone put this under a seat? I don't know. I mean, make the car longer if you can't fit the battery in there. This is just the dumbest thing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.